Hi, I'm Michelle and I'm talking with James Shenton, the Managing Director at Tougher UK, about some exciting news for homeowners and installers everywhere about building control sign-off and how we can simplify what's often a very clumsy and time-consuming process. Morning, James.
Hi, Michelle.
So James, first of all, I have to give a bit of a congratulations to you on having FirePro as a registered trademark.
Thank you. Yeah, FirePro, we've actually used the name for many, many years, and only recently we've managed to trademark it. So
yeah, it's brilliant. Well done. I mean, obviously it's big news for Tougher, but you've just partnered with a company called JHAI, who are a national company who are approved building control inspectors. So why was this partnership so important?
We needed to partner with an approved building inspector firm, a national firm, and to get type approval. We want to make the process of installing and signing off a FirePro tank as easy as possible for the customer. JHAI helps us do that.
Yeah, so it's going to save so much time for everyone. What benefits does this have for those both purchasing and installing the tank?
So it's time saved and it's money saved. The process before is a little clunky, it differs from region to region, and it often ends up with customers potentially not wanting to go down that route because they don't know what to do. This process that we've developed alongside JHAI, the approved inspectors, simplifies all that to a 4-step process whereby they pick a tank, they fill in a form, take some photos of the location of the tank, they get that approved, they then go ahead and install the tank, and they follow up with some information and pictures after installation to get sign-off.
So that means then that the end user can go through the building control sign-off process themselves?
They can. They don't sign off the tank. That they will do with JHAI, the approved building inspector. So whether it's an end user or indeed an installer who does it on behalf of an end user, it's very much a hands-on process for them, but an easy one. We've
already spoken a little bit about this 4-step process. Can you talk us through that in a bit more detail now and in terms of timescales?
Sure. So picking the tank is the easy part. Once the customer is happy with the tank that they want to install, they will be submitting a form to JHAI directly. It's a 2-page form, and they'll send a number of photographs alongside that. It takes roughly 2 weeks for JHAI to get back to the customer, either asking more questions or indeed accepting or declining an application. From there, the customer then has the confidence to go and buy the tank and get it installed. Post-installation, they'll send some follow-up pictures to JHAI directly, and they can have a building notice sign-off within a short time after.
I'd imagine not having a building control sign-off leaves the door open for complicated and expensive retrospective sign-off, not to mention potential issues with your insurance company, God forbid you had any problem.
Sure. Historically, the procedure has been quite a clunky one, and it's done in retrospect, where really you want to be upfront, forthcoming with the type of installation that you're going to have, and know that you're getting some good professional advice before spending any money.
Absolutely.
This process allows them to do that, and at the end of the day, when the job is finished, customers can be happy that they've got a tank which is safe to use and certified.
Can we do a quick fire round on this?
Sure, yeah.
Just to get all that information in one place. First of all, why JHAI?
So JHAI are a national approved building inspector. That was key for us. They've got very good coverage and they offer very good professional services. That's why we've approached them to gain a type approval.
Is JHAI available now?
Absolutely, JHAI is available right now.
Great. Is the JHAI partnership just for FirePro?
That's right. So we've partnered with JHAI solely for our fire protected range of tanks.
It's great. I can't believe it's all done in 4 simple steps, and the difference that's going to make for both installers and homeowners, it's going to be quite groundbreaking, isn't it?
It's going to be brilliant. The customers, whether you're an installer or a homeowner, can look at this process, understand it very easily. It's not going to cost an arm and a leg. It's very affordable. So it's available now, and we can't wait to get it out there.
Absolutely. Well, listen, thank you, James. We've certainly spoken a lot about your partnership with JHAI today and the 4-step compliance process that you've created. And I think installers and homeowners will be relieved, not to mention home insurers as well. That's it from us today. It is goodbye from me, it's goodbye from James, and thank you for watching.